Yo guys, it is your boy Hopshot here, and today I thought I'd put up a little small video of the Airsoft private game that we did, pretty much like a part 2. This was the pistol only game part that we did on that day. I know it's not much, but I hope you guys enjoy this video, and stay tuned for another video that I will be bringing out. It's going to be something a bit different that I haven't done before, but I will be getting that video prepped soon. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this, and yeah.
To be fair, the loadout I'm using is more for my sniper class.
Oh, fuck me, they're already at the fort.
Stick that in my pocket. Fucking go in, you bastard. Hit! Got shot fucking somewhere then.
Corner's clear. Cool.
You going first?
Yep. Did you do shooting, Tyler?
No, she hit the metal, luckily. It was close. Yeah, sorry. I knew someone had been down there hitting guys before.
Watch that fucking doorway so they don't all get wiped out. You don't know where they are, babe?
No, I don't know, but I need people behind me so we can get in there. We can hold it. What's that?
Up in the top left side of the main fort.
Top left side.
I'm out of gas. Need reloading shit. What's that left side entrance? Top side. 2 people peeking. No.
With any BBs in it?
Yeah. Oh shit.
What have you got in it? 2.5?
Oh no, there's 2s in them.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Don't matter.
Don't know how much is left.
Yeah.
Just be on to there.
Yeah, got it. Lloyd's gonna come back in, yeah.
Why is he going to come and storm it? I've got you covered while you do that shit anyway.
Where's Lloyd coming from?
Up there at the top left of the fort. There about where you're looking. That's about. How's it looking up there, guys?
Christian's top left.
Top left, yeah.
If we've got guys on the back side of the foot, if we've got one guy, we know that they're not going to get round. That's fine.
Want me to go then? Is that what you're saying?
No, I'm saying, have we got anyone on the back side of the fort?
Christian's top left.
I'm going through there, Alex.
Careful.
Not actually.
There's a yellow pulling left.
Go on,
He's
Lanky.
going all the way round. Yellow's coming all the way round. Out range with me.
Still one to the left side, yeah? Far back right side.
Yeah.
Oh.
Just trying to do.
Yeah, you watch that way, watch that way. on the corner there.
Pull it all out.
One live switch mode.
Cool.
He's on the far back this side.
Down.
Push it to left.
Loading.
Right side. Don't know how you guys want to do it. No, he's picking the bridge.
I've got what you got left. Who's got
Who's keeping the bridge?
The guy that was on the right side. Woodland Bunny. Bunny, put Bunny up.
Beanie.
Right.
One's coming up the ladder.
Which ladder?
Right.
Hit! We just need to watch out for their Airsoft pistols. Airsoft pistols. He's in white building straight away. No, he was.